What's good, everybody? You know who it is. Money Trades, and I'm back again with another Sunday market review. Let's just jump right into it. You know what I'm looking up at? Crude oil. So let's just jump right into it. I already pre-marked my charts, so I'll go over what I marked up. Just give you guys my bias as far as what I'm expecting the market to do this week. So, as you see, if you've been paying attention to the Sunday market reviews every Sunday, you'll know that we finally broke out of this 68.13 range. We're ranging between 68.13 and 65.07 for the past 2 weeks. So we finally broke out that range. Knowing that we broke out that range, let's just jump straight into the intraday time frame, what I'm trading. So the 4 hour goes. Liquidity levels. So this liquidity level happened Thursday. Friday, liquidity took in this level out. Um, Let me go ahead and jump to the 1 hour for you guys so you can see it more clearly. Then you can understand what I'm looking at overall. So looking at the 1 hour, obviously it's a lot cleaner than a 4 hour if you're not capable of reading price action in a bigger time frame, more clear. So 1 hour, this is what we're looking at. This is our liquidity level up here, which is the weekly high. So we're expecting price to push up to this area. However, this liquidity area, which is the 4 hour area, 1 hour area as well, that happened Thursday, was taken out on Friday. So knowing that this level was taken out on Friday, this was our new liquidity area here. However, Sunday opening today, market took that liquidity area out. So this is our new liquidity area here. And this is our liquidity level up here as well. So what we're anticipating is one of these levels are getting ran through by tomorrow, maybe even tonight during London session. But one of these levels are getting ran through. Now, depending on which level gets ran through first, will determine whether or not we push up to either liquidity area up here or we push back down to liquidity over here. But on an overall macro screen, macro breakdown, we're looking for these levels to get taken out. The 68.54 or the 70.22, I believe that is. Let me see, 70.22. Yeah, 70.22. So in a 4 hour, it looks a lot more cleaner to me. 1 hour looks clean too, but I like how the 4 hour looks better, knowing that these liquidity levels was taken out. So knowing that, knowing we have a 4 hour fair value gap right here, 4 hour fair value gap right in this area. Price hasn't took out that high yet. It rejected it right in this area. So it rejected the open to be exact. So noticing that we got a rejection at this open area, price could potentially continue to push down and go ahead and take out these areas here. Take out this area again, take out this area. If price do that, then we more than likely will be sitting on our hands tomorrow as far as trying to get more of an idea where price could potentially range to next. But as far as crude oil goes micro, on a micro breakdown, 4 hour, 1 hour, that's what I'm looking for at this current moment. It's not much going on. However, we should get a nice little move tomorrow just because we have liquidity levels. It's the end of the month. Typically, the market likes to do something nice towards the end of the month. Being that we're in a choppy market on Friday, very choppy. So we'll see how that goes. As far as me breaking down any other instruments, this is all I'm focusing on is crude oil. I did take a trade. If you haven't seen my last post, I did take a trade on live cattle. However, live cattle moved a little too slow for me. And after back testing that pair, stock, whatever you want to call it, back testing it this weekend, my strategy, it works out, but it doesn't work out as often as I would like it to. So I have to really test it in a live market. So as far as live cattle goes, I'm not taking any trades on that right now. I don't even want to do a market breakdown on it. To be honest with you guys, I'll do the market breakdown based upon on my own, but not really kind of sharing it because I'm still trying to learn that pair. Now, as far as crude oil goes, it respects structure to me, and I built a relationship with it. So yeah, that's that. I feel comfortable taking trades on crude oil other than live cattle because live cattle is just different. What I've, I'm not even gonna get into that round. What I noticed with live cattle, but just know that 30-minute breakout structure, market open at 30-minute breakout structure, that could be a good strategy for live cattle that I've back tested and noticed. Because live cattle likes to do a lot of fake outs. But besides that, that's the market breakdown for this week, live for crude oil. When I'm anticipating either one of these levels to get pushed down, ran through, the market continue to push up. I feel like we're going to continue to push up this week, to be honest. Based on looking at it in a monthly time frame, this is a whole rejection area. This candle got rejected, so I feel like I just feel like price is going to push up and possibly take out these highs up here. Um, but we'll see. As far as that goes, guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. Go ahead and like the video. Let me know. Like I said, if you have any instruments you want me to take a look at, pairs, whatever, market. If you want me to go ahead and do my market bias, mark chart up, I'll do that and go from there. But I will only do those on every Sunday. So thanks again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.